Good day, class. Our lesson for today is about solving algebraic equation using addition property of equality. Addition property of equality. For all real numbers a, b, and c, a equals b if and only if a plus c equals b plus c. If we add the same number to the both sides of the equal sign, then the two sides remain equal. For our example, number 1, x plus 5 equals 10. Step number 1, identify the operation. Since in the given problem x plus 5 equals 10, the operation is plus 5. So, for our step 2, applying the addition property of equality or APE, we're going to add on the both sides of the equation minus 5. So, we have here x plus 5 minus 5 equals 10 minus 5. For the step number 3, simplify. So, after we simplify, we get x equals 5. After we get the value of x, we need to verify the solution. So we go back to the original problem, x plus 5 equals 10. Then substitute the value of x, the computed value of x, which is 5. And then simplify the operation on both sides of the equation. Since it is 5 plus 5, the value is 10. So, as we can see, on the both sides of the equation, they are equal. Therefore, the answer for this given problem is 5. For our example number 2, we have the given problem x minus 7 equals 13. For the step number 1, we need to identify the operation. As you can notice, the given is x minus 7, which is minus. So we're going to apply the step number 2 by adding plus 7 on both sides of the equation using the APE rule to isolate x on the left side of the equation. So we have now x minus 7 plus 7 equals 13 plus 7. Next, we cancel out negative 7 plus 7 because the answer is 0. And then 13 plus 7, the answer is 20. Then we simplify x equals 20. Since the computed value of x is x equals 20, we need to verify if the solution is correct. We go back to the original problem, which is x minus 7 equals 13, and then substitute the value of x, which is 20. So we have now 20 minus 7 equals 13, and then perform the operation on the left side of the equation. So 20 minus 7 will give us 13. So 13 equals 13. So the left and the right hand of the equation are balanced. Therefore, our answer is correct. X equals 20. For our example number 3, we have the given equation x plus 8 equals 12. Step number 1 again, we need to identify the operation. So, since the given is x plus 8 equals 12, and the operation between x and 8 is plus, therefore, applying the step number 2, IPE, or addition property of equality, we're going to add on the both sides of the equation minus 8, so that we can isolate x on the left side of the equation. So x plus 8 minus 8, in this part on the left side, we can cancel out the 8 because the answer is 0. So we have x. And then 12 minus 4, we simplify, we have x equals 4. Okay, since the computed value of x is x equals 4, we're going to verify the solution if it is true in the given equation. So our given equation is x plus 8 equals 12. Substitute the value of x, which is 4, and then perform the indicated operation on the left side of the equation. So 4 plus 8, that will give us 12. So 12 equals 12. Therefore, the value of x is correct. For the example number 4, we have the linear equation 2x plus 2 equals x plus 4. For the step number 1, we have to identify the operation. As you can notice, the operation is plus. And then, we need to isolate x on the left side of the equation. As you can see, in our given, we have 2x and another x. So, the first thing to do is to move this x on the left side of the equation by applying the addition property of equality. So, if we have x here, we're going to have the opposite of x so that we can cancel out the positive x on the right side of the equation. So, since we need to cancel out x on the right side of the equation, we have here now this one. We have 2x minus x plus 2 equals x minus x plus 4. So, by applying the simplification, so we have 2x minus x, that will give you x. And then bring down 2. And then x minus x, that is 0, or simply cancel, and then bring down 4. Okay, next, we need to move the plus 2 on the left side to the right side so that x is isolated on the left side of the equation. So we have plus 2. We're going to add minus 2 on the both sides of the equation. Then simplify. So we have x. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, or cancel out. Equals 4 minus 2, that will give you 2. Next, another. Verify the solution if it is correct. So we're going to verify the solution. Okay, so go back to the original problem or linear equation. So we have 2x plus 2 equals x plus 4. Then substitute the value of x, which is 2. So substitute 2 times 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4. Next, 2 times 2, that will give you 4. Bring down 2. And then 2 plus 4, that will give you 6. Simplify the left side of the equation. 4 plus 2, that will give you 6 equals 6. So, meaning to say, the value that we computed, which is x equals 2, is the solution to the given 2x plus 2 equals x plus 4. If you really understand the lesson that I have discussed, you have a seat work from numbers 1 up to 5, and then calculate the value of unknown variable. We're going to check that one tomorrow during our math time. Thank you.